live, work, play, study, pray. This is the lifestyle that you deserve. Welcome to Sameera Angeles. A 12-hectare residential township located in Sapalibutan, Angeles City at the heart of Pampanga. Sameera Angeles. 15 minutes away from Marquee Mall. 15 minutes away from NLEX. 20 minutes away from SM City Clark. 30 minutes away from Clark Freeport Zone. 30 minutes away from Clark International Airport. Walking distance to Sapalibutan Barangay Hall. Free education in Governor Rafael L. Lazatin Integrated School. Near Our Lady of Sorrow Lourdes Church. With complete amenities. Commercial space. Basketball court. Swimming pool. Badminton court. Function hall. A place to live where you have your 2-bedroom townhouse unit with parking. Selling price at 1,122,000 pesos. Pag-ibig monthly amortization at 6,368.89 pesos. With 5% down payment of 57,000 pesos. Reserve now for only 15,000 pesos and avail the 60,000 peso discount. No hidden charges. What are you waiting for? Move in after 7 days upon your Pag-ibig loan approval. Units are ready for occupancy. We know you want the best for your family. That is why Westchester, the Realty Corporation, the new owner of Sameera Angeles, will help you own your dream home. How? Follow these steps. Townhouse selling price, 1,122,000 pesos. Avail the 60,000 peso discount with a down payment of 5% or 57,000 pesos only, payable in flexible terms. Monthly amortization for 5 years, 20,686.55 pesos. For 10 years, 11,897.40 pesos. For 15 years, 9,036.66 pesos. For 20 years, 7,656.22 pesos. For 25 years, 6,865.97 pesos. For 30 years, 6,368.89 pesos. For Pag-ibig loan, you may avail from 5 years up to 30 years loan financing at a very low interest rate. For Pag-ibig loan guidelines, number 1, eligibility. An active member with at least 24 months of contribution. For non-members, you may apply and pay the lump sum for the 24-month contribution. Not more than 65 years old from the date of application and not more than 70 years old at the date of loan maturity. Legal capacity to acquire and encumber real property. No Pag-ibig housing loan foreclosed, canceled, or voluntarily surrendered. If with existing Pag-ibig loan account, payments must be updated. Number 2, checklist of requirements. Fill up housing loan application form. Proof of income. Government valid IDs. Number 3, submit the housing loan application and other requirements to Westchester. Loan counseling of Pag-ibig Fund will be assisted by Westchester. Upon notice of loan approval, you can move in after 7 days. For locally employed, you may submit any of the following: notarized certificate of employment and compensation, indicating the gross monthly income and monthly allowances or monthly monetary benefits received by the employee. latest income tax return with attached BIR form number 2316, stamped received by the BIR. Certified 1-month payslip within the last 3 months prior to date of loan application. For self-employed, you may submit any of the following: ITR, audited financial statements, an official receipt of tax payment from bank supported with DTI registration and mayor's permit, business permit. Commission vouchers reflecting the issuer's name and contact details for the last 12 months. Bank statements or passbook for the last 12 months. Copy of lease contract and tax declaration. Certified true copy of transport franchise issued by appropriate government agency. Certificate of engagement issued by owner of business. Other document that would validate source of income. For overseas Filipino workers, you may submit any of the following: employment contract. Employment contract between employee and employer or POEA standard contract. Certificate of employment and compensation. CEC written on the employer or company's official letterhead. Or CEC signed by employer for household staff and similarly situated employees, supported by a photocopy of the employer's ID or passport. Income tax return filed with host country or government. Note, if documents are in foreign languages, English translation is required. We hope to hear from you, and we can't wait for your dream to become a reality. I am Zairine Parsad Valencia for Sameera Angeles, building homes for the Filipino family. Let's hear the message from our chairman, Mr. Rodolfo G. Valencia.
Greetings from Westchester Realty Corporation, the new owner of Sameera Mabalacat, Bacolor, and Sameera Angeles. The Sameera projects are among the best township projects in the Philippines today, developed with complete amenities for convenience of home buyers to live, work, study, play, and pray. Earlier, we presented Sameera Mabalacat. Now let's talk about Sameera Angeles. Located in Angeles City, 1.5 drive from Manila. It is close to Clark International Airport, Clark Green City and the Clark Special Economic Zone, the Marquee Mall and SM Clark, and many more, which may provide livelihood opportunities for qualified home owners. With ready for occupancy unit at affordable price, payable 5 to 30 years amortization from Pag-ibig Fund at very low interest rate. Let me also invite my friends in the real estate industry, particularly brokers and salespersons, to attend our marketing seminar and be a member of the RGB Center network to sell Sameera project, which is now open for sale. My special thanks also to the management of the Pag-ibig Fund for their support in providing long-term financing to its qualified members. For more information and inquiries, you may call our office or visit our website. Thank you.